Hey everybody, SlicedBread, JT here. It's been a bit of a lazy winter. Lots of chips, lots of chocolate bars, you know what I'm saying. And especially here out in the remote coast, remote islands that we are here, it can get a little dark. The sun goes down pretty early, about 3:30 or so. So we try to do as much as we can to sort of keep active and everything. There's lots of community stuff, which is great going on. But one thing you can definitely do is just stay in shape, do a little bit of exercise. We do some meditation, things like that. So I saw a thing the other day about barbells and different, it was like 5 different exercises or something to do with barbell. And I thought, hey, why not? And of course, because we can't just do it the easy way around here, I'm not just going to go and buy a barbell. I can't. You know, it takes half a day just to get to town. You know, 2 ferries away at least or whatever. So, yeah, so we're going to build one. And that's basically how we do it here. We found an old barbell laying out in the backyard there, sort of. And it had a great big bend in it. So we, cut her off and ground her out, smooth her out a little bit. Alright, so yeah, it's all really rusty and everything, the whole thing all the way through. So I have this pack of belt sander sandpaper, and I don't have a belt sander at all anymore. I think it crapped out on me or something, and so I have these. So I just flipped it inside out. It, took a little bit of maneuvering and everything, but you can do it, just work it around a little bit. And so I'm going to try doing that and see how it goes. And I thought I'd try that before I cut it and do, sort of like a rasp kind of thing. So yeah, we'll try that now and see how it goes. Screw that. Oh, time for a break. Oh, got to give the grinder a break. Not my hands, just the grinder. Yeah, that's all. Hey, what's up, y'all? So we got some rocks now for our barbell. We plucked them out of the forest there and everything. Yeah, so we got some right here. Hopefully you can see all those in there. Not sure. Alright, so we got our barbell out here, and we got our rocks now, and we got her all balanced out, and we're just going to apply some of this stuff. It's a Moto Master black asphalt undercoating, so it's sort of a rubbery kind of thing. Yeah, and I think it should do the trick. I did a test spray on the sawhorse, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, and it seemed to work pretty good, so we'll do that now. And we got this from our buddy Sean, and the whole thing was all rubberized, the cap, so I had to put it in some brake cleaner and clean it out, but we should be good to go, so I'll go do that right now. Alright, well, we'll see how that goes. We'll let that dry and attach some bags to it, and then we'll lift and get strong. So we got our barbell here, and I'm going to have to do a second coat on it to really do it up proper. So I did a first coat, and it got a little too thick, and it just got too thick. So I couldn't really roll it over to get the other spot that was missing. So, yeah, we're going to do that right now. Rock and roll. Well, that didn't work very well. I think the stuff was too cold. Last time I had it inside for a couple days to warm it up, so, and then this last time I left it out in the workshop, and so it's coming out all gooey and blah 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 blah. So, I mean, it's rubberized coating, so it should be okay either way. And I mean, it's just a rough barbell. It's basically just to weatherproof it so it doesn't rust up on me. So yeah, I think we'll leave that to dry now and see how it goes. Alright, well, I'd call that a pretty decent success. I mean, it didn't cost us anything. I already had the duct tape, I already had the bags, definitely already had the rocks. Found the pipe, you know, at the junk store, so, you know, it cost me nothing. You can't go wrong with that. Free barbell seems to work pretty good. It's not the best system for adding or removing weights, and we'll figure something else out. I'm going to do some rocks or logs eventually. Probably I'm going to drill some holes in some rocks, I think is the plan, and we'll do a video of that later on. But for now, this is all the weight that I need. It works pretty good. Be able to do some deadlifts and really get my back in shape. Back. Yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. We love you all very much. Stay healthy out there. Stay happy. Thanks for tuning in. And, you know, See you on the next one. Sliced Bread, JT, out.